Hi, this is Don from Web Training Pros. In this video, we will review the training program Manifestation Magic. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. That way when we release more videos like this one, you'll get notified. Let's get started.
Imagine being able to get whatever you want just by imagining or visualizing it. It's like having access to your very own Aladdin's lamp. But in this case, you're both the lamp and the genie. Is this even possible? Well, the law of attraction says it is. The theory that one can visualize success and materialize their heart's inner desires into reality has been around for practically ever. There are limitless books on the topic, and pretty much everyone has an opinion on it. But does the law of attraction work? You bet it does. But here's the catch. When it comes to the law of attraction, we usually get in our own way. This is why most people spend days and weeks visualizing what they want, and then they never manifest it. Why? Because both their thinking and beliefs are off. So even with proper application of the law, their progress is blocked by their mental and emotional blocks. Over the past year, however, there has been a product called Manifestation Magic that's been steadily gaining in popularity on its way to becoming an online bestseller. Yet despite selling thousands upon thousands of copies, it still hasn't become a household name like The Secret. Yet. Manifestation Magic does something that The Secret never did. It works on your brainwaves to remove the obstacles in your thoughts and feelings so that you can use the law of attraction to its fullest potential. But this is a product that must be analyzed thoroughly so that you can understand why and how it works. The question is, does Manifestation Magic work? Follow me to the next video and we'll see if it lives up to the hype.
Thanks for watching our videos. We work hard to make sure you keep coming back for the content we produce. And if you are not a subscriber yet, click here and you'll be notified whenever a new video goes public.